In today's video, I will teach you how to apply smart money concepts for swing trading. And watch this video until the end because I will reveal my full strategy from important theory to real market example to stop loss placement, entry selection, and target. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Step number 1. Open a daily time frame and analyze the market trend with smart money concepts. If the market is bullish, the price should set higher lows and higher highs. And if the market is bearish, you should see the sequence of lower lows and lower highs. Take a look at the European pair. Analyzing the price action on a daily time frame, we can spot the sequence of higher highs and higher lows. And we can make a conclusion that here the pair is trading in a bullish trend. Step number 2, look for a change of character. And I want to remind you that in a bullish trend, the change of character will be confirmed when the price violates the level of the last higher low and closes below that. And in a bearish trend, we are looking for a bullish violation of the level of the last lower high. When a candle closes above that, we confirm the change of character. On the European pair, we can spot that at the moment we see the breakout attempt of the level of the last higher low, and the change of character will be confirmed once a daily candle closes below that. Do not forget that change of character is a very important event in smart money concepts. In a bullish trend, the change of character signifies the violation of the current bullish trend. It signifies that the sentiment is changing and that the market is no more bullish. In a bearish trend, change of character is the important sign of strength of the buyers, and it indicates a highly probable bullish movement. Once you spotted a change of character, make sure that the price also violated the related liquidity zone. Here's what I mean. If we check the level of the last higher low, we can spot that it matches with the level of the previous higher high. And these two structures here compose the liquidity zone. And in order to confirm the change of character, we need the violation of them too. But sometimes the liquidity is based on a vertical structure, on a trend line. Here in that example, we can spot that the market is bearish. And in order to confirm the change of character, of course, we need the violation of the level of the last lower high. But that is not enough. If we analyze the price action, we can also spot a very important trend line based on the lower highs. And that trend line is a very important liquidity cluster. And in order to confirm the change of character, we would need the violation of the trend line and of the level of the last lower high. On the European pair, if we analyze the trend lines, we can spot this major rising trend line. And you can see that the last higher lows perfectly respect that rising trend line. The level of the last higher low here and the trend line will compose the liquidity cluster. And in order to confirm the change of character here, we will need the violation of them too. We'll need the daily candle close both below the trend line and below the level of the last higher low. Only then the change of character will be confirmed. Once you spotted a confirmed change of character, you are ready to place the trade. In a bearish trend, your entry point will be based on a broken liquidity cluster. Stop loss will strictly lie above the last high, and the target will be the next strong support, and usually it will be the next higher low level. So shorting the market on a retest of a broken liquidity cluster with the stop loss above the highs, here will be your swing trade. Same logic will be applied with the bullish setup. Once you spotted the confirmed change of character, your buy zone will be based on the broken liquidity cluster. And there you should place your buy limit order. You should set your stop loss strictly below the previous low, and your target will be the closest support. So that is gonna be your swing long trade. Back to European. So we know exactly what do we need to short. We need a daily candle close below our liquidity cluster. Then we will place our sell limit order on a retest. Then our stop loss will lie above the last high, and our last high is over here. Then our target for the trade will be right here. And here comes the most important thing, traders. Remember that change of character signifies the violation of a trend. And if you zoom out the chart on your account, you can spot that the market is trading in a global bearish trend. And this bullish trend right here is just a correctional movement within this global bearish trend. So the violation of that liquidity cluster and the change of character may signify that the market returns to a global bearish trend. And that means that the market may drop all the way down to current lows easily. And that will be your perfect swing trade for your account. Here we take into consideration not only the recent price action, but we also look left and analyze the global perspective. Perspective really matters in trading. And if you want to apply swing trading with smart money concepts properly, always analyze the global and local perspective. That will be your best recipe for the most profitable swing trades. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you want to learn more swing trading and smart money concept strategies. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, do not forget to check my premium group. The link in the description below. Traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to watch my other videos.